Unfold your space instantly with this Amazon Modern Expandable Container House. Step into the future of flexible living with this expandable container house, a revolutionary solution designed for rapid deployment and versatile use. This innovative structure transforms effortlessly, making it perfect for anything from a cozy family home or staff dormitory to a fully functional office space. At its core, the expandable container house features a robust structural framework crafted from lightweight galvanized steel construction. This framework utilizes high-strength square tubing and reinforced angle iron, providing exceptional stability. The steel is treated with a corrosion-resistant coating that meets industrial standards, ensuring long-lasting durability. Furthermore, its engineered load-bearing capacity is certified, guaranteeing structural integrity. The sophisticated wall system consists of 75 mm thick dual-layer color steel composite panels. These panels boast a polyurethane foam core with an impressive thermal conductivity rating, providing excellent insulation. For enhanced safety, a fire-resistant mineral wool interlayer is incorporated, achieving a Class A fire rating. The main frame structure is a rust-proof galvanized steel frame, complemented by fireproof EPS rock wool boards for added durability. Experience a dramatic increase in your living or working area with this cutting-edge modular expansion system. The 20-foot model, with a folded size of 5,900 mm by 2,200 mm by 2,480 mm, offers a compact floor space of 12.98 square meters. However, in just 30 minutes, the innovative wing design allows this space to expand to a generous 36 square meters, effectively tripling your usable area. This expanded space can be fully customized with bedrooms, living rooms, kitchens, bathrooms, and even shower rooms, offering unparalleled flexibility for home living or office use. The total expanded size measures 5,900 mm by 6,160 mm by 2,500 mm. Designed for convenience, this house is a plug-and-play solution for multi-scene use, requiring no tools for assembly. It comes with pre-installed electrical and water interfaces, along with LED lighting, making setup incredibly straightforward. The interior features a durable PVC plastic floor, a sturdy steel double entrance door, and resilient plastic steel doors and windows. Furthermore, you have the freedom to customize the layout, including walls, window placement, and interior materials to perfectly suit your specific needs, whether for a family home or a staff dormitory. Transportation is a breeze with its easy transportation and stackable design. The folded size of 5.9 meters by 2.2 meters by 2.5 meters means it fits perfectly into a standard shipping container, streamlining logistics. For storage, its stackable design allows you to save an impressive 70% of space. Beyond its practical features, the expandable container house is constructed with overall environmentally friendly materials, reflecting a commitment to sustainability. Please check the link in the description for more info. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.